back again with another summoner effect. Of course, from the fire deck, Novis the Fire Shaman, and this time it's Azure Fire Wall.
Indeed.
Let's dive into the requirements at first. How can I use it?
Yeah, so basically it will cost you 25 mana, which is a bit more than the previous one from Burning Spark. The requirements are that a unit of yours has to be adjacent to enemy units, servants, and then you can trigger this effect, Azure Firewall, and it will basically burn all adjacent servants next to the selected unit. And you can use it on both your own servants as well as your summoner.
Alright, so it's actually a defense deterrent. It seems like that. Would you rather use it in a defensive strategy or more an offensive strategy?
I'd say offensive is more likely. You can basically be extra aggressive with a servant by going into the fray, making sure you are adjacent to as many servants of the opponent as possible, and then you can basically use Azure Firewall to give the opponent burn. The burn effect will also last for 4 turns, meaning that they will take burn damage twice, as well as that you have 2 turns yourself to basically benefit from these burn effects on the opponents that you've used. Obviously, it will be most efficient if you can actually burn multiple servants at once with one particular spell, but just like with the previous one, you could use this particular effect as many times as you want, as long as you have mana.
Alright, so let's look at some gameplay, how it is used. So, of course I need enough mana. My mana is indicated by the yellow bar in the left corner. So yeah, take us through the process here. What are we seeing and how are we using it?
Yes, so basically a servant is moving forward to make sure that it's adjacent to 2 of the opponent's servant. And then Azure Firewall can be used, and as you can see, it burns both of the opponent's servants, giving them burn 4, meaning that you can have 2 turns yourself, from which you can benefit from those burns. So your servants have all types of effects that trigger once the opponent is burned, and the opponent will also take damage twice while having this effect on itself.
Alright, so far so good. We'll see you next time with another explanation of the summoner effects. See ya!